You know what I mean? When I'm going to an event or something, like a car meet, you know what I mean? Get the bad boy out. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Wiz, man, and I'm back with another video. And today we're gonna open up this DJI. So I'm gonna show you guys the DJI that I just got as a gift, and I'm gonna try it out. So we're gonna see how this thing works, man. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. That's Lil Johnny, if y'all didn't know. But so I'm about to open up this thing, man. I'm excited to see how this thing works. I ain't gonna hold you. Ooh, I didn't even know how to open it. I just did that, you know. Ooh, boy. I am trying to tell you. This is the guide, because I don't know how to hook none of this stuff up. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. Dang, this is crazy. Ooh, it looks like a gun. Excuse the mess in the background, that's my stuff. But oh yeah, it's about to go down, man. It's about to go down. So I'm about to figure this out. No, I'm gonna need that. I'm about to figure this out. And yeah, learn how to work this thing right quick. Cause I got my camera over here. Oh man, so we're gonna see how this thing works, man. Yeah. All right, so I mounted the bottom piece, and so mount this with the face forward, and you lock it into place. Alright, good and locked. Take this Y connector thing. Take this. Put this in the middle. Yay, nay? Okay. Put this in the middle. This is to hold the lens though. Hold the lens in place. I probably won't need that, because I don't have my other lens with me. I probably won't need this. But I get it though, see? If it's a long nose, it'll hold it in place so it won't move around. See what I'm saying? But I won't need that, because I shoot a lot of up close shots. So for right now though, because I don't have my lens with me. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me think. I want this to open up like that. Okay, let's see here. Open up like that. And this to, if I'm gonna hold it, hold on. Yeah. So let's see. And we slide this on. And see, I might not need this extra piece down here. Let me see something. Let me unlock it again. Pull this out. Cause I might not. I don't know if I need that. Will I? Will I need that? I don't know if I need it. It's getting there, guys, man. Shoot. You know, it's getting there. Now I gotta figure out how I get this thing to be. So I need to be this way. So I need to figure out how to face it towards you guys. So I'll be right back. I gotta adjust it. Okay. It's getting there, guys. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Hold up. So, if it's like that, I need to be level. Let me see here. There it is. Yeah. Now, I gotta make sure this is the direction. I needed to go this way, so there we go. But this video's hold on, let me see. You want it to be, you want it to be. But it'll be that knocking noise though. Almost got it, guys. So I'm just trying to figure out if I left it like this. You know what I mean? That knocking noise, like, I know that ain't gonna work. Now, I think I got it, yo, low key. So what I would need to do now is it might be there. I probably won't be able to do it right now. It might be low key there, yo. Let's see. If it's like that, then it's like that. Alright. But I think this thing's supposed to have some type of level to it, though. I don't think it's supposed to be just stiff like that, you know what I mean? Like, I think it's supposed to be, you know, so when you are moving around, it don't show just straight. I want to see something. Let me see. Let me see something right quick. Let me see something right quick. Let me turn it on. Let me turn it on right quick. That's how you get the moment of truth. That's hard though, dog. So you know I'm gonna get the hang of this, cause I need to shoot these shots on my car. Like, let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. You know what I mean? When I'm going to an event or something, like a car meet. You know what I mean? Get the bad boy up. Dang, that's what's up, man. I appreciate it, Alex. Everybody need to comment and say, thanks, Alex. But yeah. So I'm gonna play around with this, man, and then we're gonna hit these streets. Get it. So I almost got it, guys. See what I'm saying? I almost got it. But I just need to charge it up because it's dead. So I'm gonna let that charge up, and I'm gonna hit these streets, man. I'm about to get back with y'all in a second. See? Charging up.